Hi, kids. Okay, the indescribable devotion today is no standing on Saturn. Be on your guard, stand firm in the faith, be courageous, be strong. 1 Corinthians 16:13. And I'm going to show you the picture here. It shows, Saturn has that ring around it, but can you stand on it? Let's see what the devotion has to say. Saturn is often called the jewel of the solar system because of its beautiful rings, but this faraway planet is nothing like the Earth. It's the second largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the biggest, and it has a small rocky core covered with gases. You couldn't even stand up on this ring planet. In fact, because it's mostly made of gases, if you were to put Saturn in water, and you need a lot of water, it would float. Another reason you couldn't stand up on Saturn is because it's an incredibly windy place. Winds around its equator or its middle can reach up to 1,118 miles an hour. To understand just how fast that is, the fastest winds on Earth only get up to about 250 miles an hour, and they destroy everything in their path. Sometimes it feels like you can't stand up even here on Earth. Troubles come roaring at you like 250-mile-an-hour winds, seeming as terribly powerful as a hurricane or a tornado. Maybe a difficult problem is bothering you. A friend has betrayed you. A bully is picking on you, or people are pressuring you to do things you know are wrong. Or maybe someone else needs you to stand up for them. Whatever it is, you feel beat up and knocked around and even a little scared, but don't give up. You may not be able to stand up tall on Saturn, but you can stand up tall to any trouble because God is on your side. Pray hard and hold on to Him. Not only will God protect you, but He will also help you keep standing up for Him and for what's right until the storm of trouble is over. Lord, sometimes my life feels like a windstorm and it's ripping through it. Please give me your courage and strength so I can stand up tall and strong for you. And the be amazed part is about Saturn, of course. Saturn's glittering rings look pretty solid, but they aren't. They are made up of bits of dust, rock, and ice crystals, some as big as skyscrapers and others no bigger than a grain of sand. The biggest ring is so wide it could stretch more than 12 times the distance from the Earth to the moon.